Hi, TR here. This video is about how your course mark is calculated. I received a number of questions regarding this, and I thought, well, let's do a video and show you how you can figure it out. First thing you need to do is go to your announcements. Actually, that's the first thing you should do, period. In your announcements, you're going to find one called How Your Course Mark is Calculated. I go in and give you a written explanation. I say why. The reason why is CALM has two criteria that must be met in order for you to pass our course. One is that you have to achieve a minimum of 50%, and the second is that you must complete at least 50% of the assignments. Because of that, we mark in a way that's called cumulative. And so when you submit an assignment, it's given a certain percentage. So I go on to explain that down here. What I've done, I'm going to do is I'm going to go and open up another screen, and this shows you what you see when you open your grades. First thing you should see is your current course mark. The weight achieved is your percentage for your course. So whatever marks you get, whatever weight you receive, that's going to give you a number out of 100. And that will be your current grade in the course at this moment. How do we do that? Well, let's look at Module 1. Here's reflection point 1. When I mark it, it shows that it's out of 10. The relevance of that is that if I give you 10 out of 10, that's 100%. Now, if you get 100% in the points, that's going to translate to the weight over here. And the weight is, this assignment is worth 8 points out of 100. That's its weight. So if you get 100% here, you're going to get 8 points here. This will automatically mean that your weight achieved is 8 out of 100 and your grade is 8%. Now, the form wasn't worth any marks. We just did that so we could separate those who submitted forms from those who didn't. So there's no weight to this. The quiz is worth 2 points. It's out of 10, but it's worth 2 points. So if you get 10 out of 10, you'll get 2 points. If you get 5 out of 10, you'll get 1 point. Now, you add, assuming that you got 10 out of 10 here, and you got 10 out of 10 here, you will have received 8 points and 2 points. These 8 points and 2 points would have been added up automatically by default in D2L, and it would give you a weight of 10 out of 100, which means your course grade at that point is 10%. As you work through your modules, each assignment has got a point total. The point total, the value of the point total is to get you that percentage of points over here. So say emotional wellness, you got 28 points, you would receive 7.5 points of your weighted score. So you would add 7.5 to the 2 to the 8, and now you're at 17.5, and your grade is 17.5%. That's the only difference in the way we do it. That's why we call it cumulative. We add your weights. As you complete assignments, you will get a mark, and that mark is a percentage of your weight. If it's 100%, you get all of that weight for that assignment. As you go through the course, if you complete all of these assignments, you will get a course grade as you would in any other course. The difference is your marks are added and totaled, and they're shown here as your current course mark. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, what you need to do is first you need to read your announcements. Read the announcement that I created, and you might want to read the announcement that I created for the assignment, that particular assignment you're doing. If you've done that and then you have a question, then use your private discussions, and I will do my best to help you figure that out. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now.